It's time to rethink what you carry. Forget Glock for a moment because the latest releases are changing the game. In this video, we're exploring the 5 groundbreaking guns that are not only redefining performance, but also might make you reconsider your everyday favorite. These aren't just upgrades, they're innovations designed to outmatch the competition in power, precision, and usability. From compact designs that pack serious firepower to feature-packed options built for modern shooters, this list has something for everyone. You'll see pistols with expanded magazine capacities, enhanced accuracy, and futuristic designs, all pushing the boundaries of what a carry gun can be. Whether you're looking for better concealability, superior ergonomics, or cutting-edge technology, these new models deliver features that could make your current carry feel outdated. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have the details to decide if it's time to make the switch. If you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Arms Mastery community. Let's get started. Number 5. Heckler and Koch CC9. Imagine a pistol that takes everything you love about a reliable carry gun and upgrades it with cutting-edge innovation. This compact contender for 2025 is built to impress, offering the perfect mix of size, power, and performance for everyday use. With an overall length of 6.3 inches and a weight of 23 ounces unloaded, it's lightweight enough for all-day carry, yet solid in the hand for controlled shooting. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers dependable stopping performance while keeping recoil manageable, thanks to its finely tuned design. The 3.4-inch barrel enhances accuracy whether you're at range or relying on it in a critical moment. Its polymer frame is built to last without adding unnecessary weight, and the textured grip ensures a firm hold, even in less than ideal conditions. The magazine holds 13+1 rounds, balancing compactness with ample firepower. An easy-to-rack slide and intuitive controls make this pistol feel natural and user-friendly, even for those new to carrying. The improved trigger system ensures smooth, consistent operation, giving you the confidence to hit your mark every time. The Heckler and Koch CC9 is priced between $600 and $700. Pros: lightweight and compact for excellent concealment, ergonomic grip and durable polymer frame, reliable 9mm chambering with manageable recoil, easy to operate slide and controls. Cons: slightly smaller magazine capacity than some competitors, limited customization options at launch. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0. This pistol takes a trusted design and enhances it with modern upgrades, making it a standout choice for concealed carry or home defense. Crafted with a durable polymer frame, it combines strength with a slim, ergonomic build for comfortable handling. Measuring 7.4 inches in overall length and weighing 24.7 ounces unloaded, it balances compactness with solid control. Chambered in 9mm, it offers reliable stopping power with reduced recoil, aided by its low-bore axis and finely textured grip. The 4.25-inch barrel delivers accuracy you can depend on, whether at the range or in high-stress situations. Its upgraded trigger system provides a crisp, consistent pull, improving follow-up shots and ensuring smooth operation. The magazine holds 15+1 rounds, giving you the firepower to handle any scenario. Aggressive slide serrations make it easy to operate even in challenging conditions. With ambidextrous controls and interchangeable palm swells, it's built to adapt to your needs. The optics-ready slide adds versatility, allowing for seamless integration of red dot sights. The Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0 is available in various configurations, with prices ranging from approximately $357 to $700 depending on the model and retailer. Pros: ergonomic grip with customizable palm swells, generous 15+1 round capacity, optics-ready slide for added versatility, lightweight with excellent handling and minimal recoil. Cons: slightly larger frame may not suit all carry preferences. Basic polymer sights could feel limiting for advanced users. Number 3. Walther PDP Pro Compact. Compact yet built for serious performance, this pistol redefines what a reliable carry option should be. At 7.1 inches long and weighing just 24 ounces unloaded, it offers the perfect balance of portability and solid control. Its sleek profile and ergonomic design make it comfortable for everyday carry while ensuring excellent handling under pressure. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers the stopping power you need with a smooth and manageable shooting experience. The 4-inch barrel is designed for accuracy, ensuring confidence with every shot. Its performance-enhanced grip texture provides a secure hold even in challenging conditions, while the low-bore axis reduces muzzle rise, enabling faster follow-up shots. The magazine holds 15+1 rounds, offering the firepower needed for personal protection without adding unnecessary bulk. An optics-ready slide sets it apart, allowing for quick and easy integration of red dot sights for modern shooting needs. The advanced trigger system is another standout feature, providing a clean, consistent break for precise shooting. It is available in various configurations with prices ranging from approximately $800 to $950 depending on the model and retailer. Pros: compact size with excellent handling, enhanced grip texture for a secure hold, optics-ready slide for red dot compatibility, smooth trigger pull for accurate shooting. Cons: polymer sights might feel basic for some users. Slightly larger grip may not suit smaller hands. Number 2. CZ Shadow 2 Compact. Designed with care and attention to detail, this compact pistol delivers outstanding performance for both carry and competition. At 7.5 inches in overall length and weighing 32 ounces unloaded, it offers a solid yet balanced feel, making it comfortable for extended use while remaining easy to carry. Its steel frame provides durability and strength, while the ergonomic grip enhances control even during rapid-fire scenarios. Chambered in 9mm, it balances power and recoil beautifully thanks to its low-bore axis and well-distributed weight. The 4-inch barrel ensures consistent accuracy, whether you're on the range or in a critical situation. Aggressive slide serrations make manipulation easy, while the fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight enable quick target acquisition in any lighting condition. The 15+1 round magazine capacity ensures ample firepower without compromising its compact size. Ambidextrous controls cater to both left and right-handed shooters, adding to its versatility. The enhanced trigger system offers a clean, smooth pull, making follow-up shots fast and controlled. Its price ranges from approximately $1,100 to $1,300. Pros: durable steel frame with excellent grip ergonomics, low-bore axis for reduced muzzle rise and better control, fiber optic sights for improved target focus, ambidextrous controls for universal usability. Cons: heavier than polymer framed pistols, may require additional break-in for optimal performance. Number 1. SIG Sauer P365 X Macro Plus. Imagine a pistol that combines exceptional firepower, modern features, and unmatched carry comfort. This compact yet highly capable firearm takes concealed carry to the next level. With a sleek design and innovative upgrades, it's built to handle any situation with confidence. At 6.6 inches in length and weighing just 20.7 ounces unloaded, it's the perfect size for all-day carry while still providing a solid, balanced feel in the hand. Chambered in 9mm, it delivers reliable stopping power with reduced recoil, ensuring fast and accurate follow-up shots. What truly sets this pistol apart is its impressive magazine capacity, holding an astonishing 17+1 rounds and a remarkably slim frame. The 3.1-inch barrel is designed for accuracy, while the optics-ready slide allows you to easily mount a red dot sight for quicker target acquisition. Its integrated compensator further reduces muzzle rise, giving you better control during rapid shooting. Enhanced grip texturing ensures a secure hold, even in wet or slippery conditions, while the flat-face trigger offers a clean, crisp break for precision shooting. This pistol also includes front and rear slide serrations for easier manipulation, ambidextrous controls for accessibility, and a modular grip system that can adapt to your preferences. It's more than a concealed carry option, it's a versatile and dependable tool for everyday defense. It's available in various configurations, with prices ranging from approximately $650 to $1,020 depending on the model and retailer. Pros: high 17+1 magazine capacity in a slim profile, integrated compensator for reduced muzzle rise, optics-ready slide for red dot compatibility, lightweight and ergonomic design for all-day carry. Cons: slightly shorter barrel may limit range accuracy. Grip may feel narrow for larger hands. These 5 guns are rewriting the rules for concealed carry, offering features that might just outshine your current favorite. Which one stood out to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and join the Arms Mastery community for more reviews, tips, and all things firearms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.